Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cole. I'm also known as the Diva because I'm always keeping it real on this YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be trying out the new, extremely overhyped, this has been talked about for months, the Kylie Jenner birthday collection, which her birthday passed. So now it is called the Cheetah Collection. It is fierce. There is plenty of products. The packaging is everything. I'm so excited to try it. You guys, look at the packaging is already A1 for me. I'm an unbiased diva, but look at this. Girl, are you kidding me? I had to go ahead and put on this whole outfit just for this damn video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big old thumbs up, and comment down below. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so in this collection we have tons and tons of products. We have eyeshadow palettes, we have highlighters, we have lashes, we have lip glosses, shadow sticks, a bunch of new stuff for Kylie. And also, I just cannot get over this packaging. Like, Kylie definitely stepped it up. As you guys can see, there's some ghost printing, some glitter. I love that. I love that Kylie's always on the cover because she is just so stunning. I'm always unbiased. Don't try to flip it on me because I'm already giving her, you know, some credibility. But packaging, especially nowadays, is hard to get sickening and get to be unique. I really want to start on looking at this damn palette. I'm just gonna go over just this packaging because they all are pretty similar. Obviously has Kylie looking like the baddest bitch ever. Oh my gosh, she looks delicious. Almost makes me straight, honestly. Just kidding. This outfit is so extra. Guys, look at these gloves. I just want to smack a bitch. Okay. So the glitter does get everywhere, which I hate. I hate when that happens. I hate glitter on packaging, but it just looks so nice. It really does. But you will get the glitter everywhere. The palette is pretty stunning. Is it neutral? Yes, but I feel like this is definitely a palette that can kind of pull you out of your comfort zone a little. I see a lot of mustards and some cranberries. Such a good fall palette, but we need to test this formula. I'm not too familiar with Kylie's formula. I have played around with a couple things, but you know, I'm not like in love with it or anything. Next we have shadow sticks in the shades Born to Be Wild and Catch Me If You Can. They are really pretty. They're gold and champagne-y, I believe. I seen them on Trend. Oh, these gloves are hard to open packaging. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's bronzy. I love bronze and I love champagne, so I'm excited to try these. I did try her other collection that had these and they were okay. Nothing that I was like shook over, but they were okay. Next, we have a pair of lashes. These are individual lashes. This looks extremely cheap to me. I feel like if you're an individual lash wearer, you might like these, but I don't like how they're all one length automatically. These are definitely something I wouldn't go towards. I love this little sleeve that's on it, but this girl, come on, y'all can do better than this. Next, we have a highlighter in the shade Hear Me Roar. I've seen this on Kylie's story and it looked pretty nice. I'm not seeing too much of a reflection yet, but I am excited to try this. I wish this packaging was a little bit more true to the collection. If it has some ghost printing of the cheetah print, or I don't know, just kind of looks like Kylie put her name on it. But I like it. Don't go off on me, okay? Next we have this, which the packaging for this one is pretty sickening. I love that the hat and like her outfit is UV printed or ghost printing. That kind of means it's like a glossy texture. It's just really nice. I love it. It's definitely something new. A lot of people are doing it, but the fact that they did it like that was so creative. I believe there's 3 glosses in here. 4 glosses in here. Oh, okay, I'm living for the glosses, okay? The glosses might be it. Packaging A1. These 2 glosses. Oh, I just know it's right. I am gonna already say I am a fan of Kylie's. I think these are called high gloss. Yeah, high glosses from Kylie are pretty bomb. I can already see the comments of people being like, he's so biased. How dare he say he's unbiased? All because I like the packaging. Next we have this fall nude. It looks a little too orangey for me, but I'm definitely obviously gonna try it today. I am not too much in love with Kylie's matte formula. I feel like it gives me butthole lips and just, it's a no-go for me, but we'll still try it. We'll still try it. Okay, I'm not hating just yet. So, I mean, let's just go ahead and get started. I was anyways in a little bit closer so we can get started in the eyes. And yeah, come here. Y'all, I had to put some gloves on, girl. Starting to feel like I'm at the gynecologist again. But I'm gonna prime my eyes off camera with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I'm gonna start off using the shade Seeing Stripes. This one right here is, this one right here is this little mustardy shade. I'm just gonna be taking this and just running it through my crease. Off the bat, I'm not really seeing much pigmentation. Let's go ahead and just start packing instead. Oh, there she is. She just needed a quick pack. Okay, now she's definitely showing him. I'm just gonna kind of go with like a cat eye today. Oh, okay, I'm loving this mustard shade. It kind of reminds me of the mustard shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Actually, it's almost like exactly like that. And I'm referring to the original Jaclyn Hill palette, If you are a lover of that palette, you know what shit I'm talking about. It's like all pukey and browny. I love those types of shades. Okay, but I'm actually kind of living. This shadow is blending out really quick. Okay, so now that we have her all blended out, I'm gonna go in with, I wish I could legit ask you guys what to go in with next, but let's just go in with Rar, this nice brownie shade. She cute. I'm gonna take her on the same brush. Definitely a lot more pigmentation on this. And I'm just gonna slowly, like, pack, but kind of sweep. Okay, she's blending out pretty nice too. Wow. You guys can see, these are kind of blending out themselves. I might be a Kylie eyeshadow fan after this one, girl. Wow. If y'all see me looking over here, no, it's not my man. It is just the monitor. Just making sure I'm in frame so y'all can see me and y'all can hear me. Okay, now I'm taking the shade Love Forever down here. Oh, Love You Forever. She's a little splotchy, as you can see. I've been using a pencil brush. She's definitely workable. I'm just assuming that maybe she needs to be used with a little more of a fluffy brush, but I'm kind of just deepening up my crease a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so I did a little bit of playing off camera. I kind of like just winged it out a little bit more. I did the smokiness, but then I also tried this Catch Me If You Can shadow stick. Pretty nice, honestly. I'll show you guys how they work. They're really fast and easy. I think this would be really great for, like, I don't know why, but doctors, maybe because I have, you know, the gynecologist gloves on, but just I feel like if you're just like a really busy morning person, these might be pretty sickening for you, but I'll show you guys how they work. I kind of just like, it was really easy to make the crease. Like, look how easy that goes on. And I like how it's a tiny bit stiff. Like, they're definitely creamy, but not too creamy, so like you can't really go overboard with them. And you can kind of build it up. And I like that's kind of a cream because then you can blend it out and put shimmer on top. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Just blend it out, look how fast that blended. And then I'm gonna go in with another brush. I like using this type of brushes for shadow that's like this because it's really glittery. It's called Exotic Babe. And I'm just gonna be patting this right on top because it's obviously a cream. So it works very, very nicely. Oof, I love it, but they do not match. Let me just make these match. For lashes, there's no way in hell I'm gonna be using these, so I'm gonna be going with my own brand, Soul Lashes. I'm using the style The Star. This is a beautiful, beautiful, wispy, winged out lash. She gives you such a cat eye. She's fierce. She's perfect if you have glasses. She looks big, but it's because she's extremely curled, and she gives you such an upwards appearance. Look at these lashes. A little mascara and a little bit of The Star from Soul Lashes will change your mother effing life, and y'all can thank me later. Are you kidding me? Look at this lift. Look at this glam. Girl, these lashes, I made them specifically for people that have glasses. I made these lashes for bad bitches that gotta go to work. Bad bitches that gotta be a mom, gotta be a doctor or a teacher, working at McDonald's all. These lashes are for you. Why? Because you're that girl. And that's why they're called The Star, because they make you feel like a motherfucking star. A little mascara, a little bit of this lash, and girl, you're winning the lottery, okay? And these are the lashes all complete, looking so glam, so fierce. Let's go ahead and finish everything off so we can do our final thoughts. Okay, so I just put on the lip liner. I already know that this is not gonna be a color that I'm gonna like. Of course, the lipstick matches the lip liner, so if you guys like this type of terracotta-ish color, you might like it. I personally don't, so I thought maybe we could just throw a gloss on top and see how that looks instead of doing the whole color. Let's go in with, I'm already gonna love these two, so let's go in with this darker one, which I'm pretty sure is the same color. It is. Let's just go for it and try her. I really love Kylie's formula. And this one was in the shade Bad Kitty. Ooh, I love that. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and finish off this look with the highlighter in the shade Hear Me Roar. Oh, I'm very interested to see how this looks. Okay, she's cute. She's not extremely blinding, which I like. You guys know I'm not oh, she's actually pretty blinding. I spoke way too soon. A little bit on the nose, on the chinny chin chin. And that's everything. Now let's go ahead and go into my final thoughts. As you guys already know, this is a 10 out of 10 for packaging for me. I love the packaging in this collection, but I also love Cheetah, so that's probably why. This palette is stunning. I feel like she's perfect for fall. Do you need her? But if you like her, definitely get her. The glosses, on the other hand, these glosses are perfect. I actually don't mind this shade that much. Well, Those are gone forever. I love the lip gloss. I'm gonna have to try out the lipstick. I'm sorry I didn't really try that, you guys. I'm just not a big fan of the formula. If you love her formula, definitely try it. Glosses are A1, the palettes A1, the cream shadows are pretty good. Nothing's really bad. Obviously, Kylie isn't gonna release, you know, products that are bad, so I wasn't expecting anything less, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big old thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I will have my lashes and my brand linked down below as well. You guys can use code DIVA to save 10% off. I love you all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you divas in the next one. Bye, everyone.